everybody know. You go on Trustpilot, you see reviews, and you can't hide it. Yes, you cannot hide it. I work in hospitality industry, and I know you cannot hide anymore. If you have weak spots, they are there. Yes.
We will be focusing in the zone.
Okay.
Because obviously you are bald there. Then I will try to increase all over this. Right now I'm checking if the grafts are implanted or correctly, or they are in a good shape. So this is my last check before sending my patient back to the hotel. I'm checking if they're all correctly implanted and if you are missing something. Okay, this is in the place. Let's check it once. You have my number, I guess?
We do, I do.
Okay. So, if you need anything, please contact me.
Sure.
Okay. Do you need to ask me anything before you leave?
No, all good.
Okay. So, it was nice to see you.
Thank you.
I'm waiting for your text, okay?
I will do that, yes.
So, next time I visit UK, I will visit you too.
Yes, please.
Okay, we will meet.
Yes, please. Everybody knows about this clinic. Yeah, everybody. So I have a guy who wanted to come here. Also, he's young. I think he's 25 years old, and he has already a bonus. And I told you guys, and I think they actually he got in touch with you. Obviously, I will recommend the Smile Clinic for everyone who is unfortunate as me. Well, you used to be unfortunate because now I'm fortunate to come here, yes, because they will feel like home and they will get results. But thank you for all the time. It's been amazing, yes.